Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest and greatest products out there. Today, we're diving into the world of crafting and DIY with what I consider the best light blue duct tape on the market. The Duck brand 1,311,000 color duct tape in electric blue. Now, when it comes to duct tape, versatility is key. Whether you're into repairs, creative projects, or temporary fixes, having a reliable duct tape in your toolkit is a must. And Duck brand has a reputation for delivering quality. This electric blue variant is not just about its vibrant color, though. It's crafted with durability in mind, boasting excellent adhesion to various surfaces like cloth, vinyl, and even metal. Perfect for those quick fixes around the house or more imaginative crafting endeavors. Sized at 1.88 inches by 20 yards, it's ample enough for numerous projects without running out too quickly. Plus, it's made right here in the USA with globally sourced materials, ensuring both quality and reliability. Wondering what you can do with it? Well, apart from the typical household repairs, you can get creative. From crafting unique wallets and phone cases to even designing your own prom outfit, the possibilities are endless. Now, you might be wondering how it stacks up against other duct tapes out there. In terms of sheer adhesion and ease of use, Duck brand stands out. It sticks well without leaving behind that annoying residue that some cheaper tapes tend to do. Just a quick tip: while it's great for indoor projects and temporary outdoor use, avoid leaving it on hardwood floors or in direct sunlight for extended periods. It's designed more for creative fixes and crafting rather than heavy-duty outdoor applications. So, whether you're a seasoned DIY enthusiast or just looking to tackle some household repairs with a splash of style, the Duck brand 1,311,000 color duct tape in electric blue might just be your new best friend. That wraps up our review today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews like this, and leave a comment below on what products you'd like to see featured next.